What's up, everyone? As always, your reliable company, Appliance Fix Lab, is with you today, represented by me, your technician Yevhen, from the Canadian city of Winnipeg. The local company, Appliance Fix Lab, specializes in repair and maintenance of Amana appliances. Today, the camera lens is aimed at an Amana electric dryer, which is located on the border of two areas of Crestview and Silver Heights in Winnipeg. Reason for the service call: the Amana dryer makes very loud noise while it is running. I turned the dryer on to check and I hear this unusual very loud noise that caught the attention of the dryer owner. I assume that there are problems with the rollers or belt tensioner. To determine a more precise cause, I turn off the power supply and disassemble the dryer. After removing the drum, I gained access to the rollers and tensioner. Gotcha! One of the rollers was almost completely destroyed, and this was the reason for the noise of the Amana dryer. So, checking the condition of the second roller and the tensioner, I decided to replace both rollers and the belt tensioner. I clean the lint inside the dryer with a vacuum cleaner and replace two rollers and the belt tensioner. I partially assemble the dryer, connect the power supply and check. Success! The Amana dryer operates without extraneous noise in normal mode. I completely assembled and checked the operation of the dryer again. Repair of the Amana dryer has been tested in all modes and is ready for use. Amana dryer repair successfully completed. This completes the repair and I say goodbye to you. But I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together, we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye-bye.